Do you know, how long can a panda live without bamboo? Let's find out 3 unknown facts about pandas. Number 1. A panda eats about 12 to 38 kilograms of bamboo a day. Number 2. The black spots next to the panda's eyes are not only beautiful to look at, they help them recognize each other. Number 3. A panda can only live 3 to 4 days without bamboo because their life is almost entirely dependent on bamboo. Which facts surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe now to learn more interesting facts like this.